So today I am taking a new chapter, probability. Okay, in this chapter you get one mark question is 1, 2 marks question is 1, 3 marks is 1, 5 marks is 1. Okay, totally 11 marks question. It is very important chapter, and also it is very important for competitive examination also. Okay. Listen here, you must know the fundamental meaning of sample space. Sample space means set of all possible outcomes in a random experiment is called a sample space. Okay. Set and event. Event means set of all subset of a sample space is called an event. Okay. Probability of any event is number of favorable event divided by total possible outcome. That is the definition of probability. Okay, all of you, write down. Let S be the set of all outcomes of a S be the set of all outcomes of a random experiment. Random experiment means, the meaning of random experiment, there are two conditions to define random experiment. Condition number 1, it has any number of possible outcomes, and another second one is it cannot get actually the possible outcome cannot be judged either well in advance. That is the meaning of random experiment. Okay, random experiment. S is called the sample space. S is called the sample space. S be the set of all outcomes of a random experiment. S is called the sample space. Let A be the set of all A be the set of all favorable event let A be the set of all favorable event and A is subset of S. Let A be the set of all favorable event and A is subset of S. Then probability of A means event. Then P of A equal to N of A by N of S. N of A means favorable outcome and N of S means all possible outcomes. Okay, number of outcomes favorable to A divided by total possible outcomes. Total possible outcomes. This is the definition of probability. Probability P of A means probability of any event is nothing but n of A by n of S. Number of favorable event, number of outcomes are favorable to A divided by total possible outcomes. Next example, let S be the set of all outcomes, set of all outcomes of tossing two coins. S equal to, when you toss two coins simultaneously, possible outcomes you know it very well. HH, HT, TH, TT. Correct? These are the possible outcomes of tossing two coins. Let A be an event. Let A be the event. Okay, event means a subset of subset of any sample space. You know the meaning of subset. Of A is subset of B means every element of A is also an element of B. Of getting at least one head. Let A be the event of getting at least one head. A equal to, observe here, at least one head is, take this HH, HT, TH. This is favorable. Here all possible outcomes is 4 outcome. Here A be an event. Why you are calling A is an event? Because this A is subset of S. That is called it is an event. How many number of outcomes are there? 3. How many number of outcomes are there in S? 4. Then tell me the probability of any event A. Here is the definition. Probability of, therefore, P of A equal to N of A by N of S equal to N of A. N of A means possible outcome, favorable outcome. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. B by N of S. How many possible outcomes are there in S? 4. So 3 by 4 will be the probability of this event A. Follow? Next example. Second example, you take a second one. Let B be, not necessary, you take some properties, okay, some properties. You know it very well. These properties are learned in first PUC level. Property 1. If A equal to null set is denoted by these two symbols, either in this way or in this way, then probability of A equal to, okay, probability of any event A is equal to probability of A means 5. probability of pi is 0. You know it very well in first PUC. Probability of an empty set is always 0. If A equal to sample space, if A equal to sample space, then probability of A equal to probability of S equal to 1. Don't forget, probability of sample space is always 1 and probability of empty set is 0. Okay. Next. Next one is probability property 2. How we can define property 2? What is probability of empty set? 0. Probability of sample space is 1. Next, probability of property 2. Property 2 is if A is a proper subset of S. Proper subset of S. Proper subset of S means, you know the meaning of proper subset. If A is a subset of S and A is not equal to S, yes, that is called the definition of proper subset. Then 0 less than P of A less than 1. If A is a proper subset of S, then 0 less than P of A less than 1. Okay. Property 3. If A and B are two events, if A and B are two events, if A and B are two events with sample space S, if A and B are two events with sample space S, then P of A union B plus P of A intersection B equal to P of A plus P of B. Follow this. A and B are two events with sample spaces. Then P of A union B plus P of A intersection B equal to P of A plus P of B. Okay. From this we can derive two results. What is P of A union B? P of A union B is nothing but P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Or B. If you want P of A intersection B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. ಇವೆರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದರಿಂದ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. You know it very well, this result in first PUC class. Okay. Next, property 4. Property 4. Prove that P of A dash. P of A dash means complement of a set, complement of an event A, okay, is equal to or not A. You can read this one as not A. 1 minus P of A. 1 minus P of A. Suppose P of A is there, you can write 1 minus P of A dash. Okay. How we can prove this result? Solution. You know the meaning of sets. A union A dash. What do you mean this? A union A dash? Sample space. A union A dash andre sample space, and A intersection A dash is equal to empty set. You know the meaning of these two in set theory. A dash ಗೆ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಸ್ 1. You know the formula just now. P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of A union B plus P of A intersection B equal to P of A plus P of B. Just now you know the meaning of that formula. That result has given in property number 3. Okay, we have P of A union A dash plus P of A intersection A dash is equal to P of A plus P of A dash. Follow this. P of A union A dash plus P of A intersection A dash equal to P of A plus P of A dash using property 3. Correct? ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ 3 ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. A union B plus A intersection B equal to P of A plus P of A dash. You know the meaning of what is this? P of what is A union A dash? Sample space, correct? A union A dash is sample space plus P of A intersection A dash is pi. Okay, P of S plus P of pi. P of A plus P of A dash. Follow this. You using 1. Using 1. What is P of S? P of S is 1 plus P of pi 0 is equal to PA plus P of A dash. Correct? P of S is 1 is given in the property 1. P of pi is 0 using property 1. Correct? Next, 1 plus 0 means 1 equal to P of A plus P of A dash. 1 equal to P of A plus P of A dash. Or we can say that, rearrange this, P of A dash equal to 1 minus P of A. Follow this. Next, meaning is next will be conditional probability. Heading conditional probability. What is the meaning of conditional probability? How we can define? Okay, let A and B are any two events with the sample space yes. A and B are any two events with the sample space yes. The probability of A given the event B already occurred is called conditional probability of A and is denoted by like this. We can define as, we can A for B, conditional probability of an event A already given event B. Okay, this is called conditional probability. Okay, write the definition. Let A and B are any two events with the sample space S, or any two events with the sample space S. The probability of A, the probability of A, given that the probability of A given that the event B, the event B, the probability of A given that the event B has already occurred, has already occurred, is called the probability, is called the conditional probability. Conditional probability of A given B, given B. A and B are any two events with sample space S. The probability of A given that the event B has already occurred is called conditional probability of A given B, and is denoted by, it is denoted by like this. This is the symbol. P of A bar B is the symbol called as conditional probability of A given B. Okay, and read as P of A, read as P of A given B, given B, or P of A bar B, P of A bar B. Follow the meaning of this. A and B are any two events with the sample space S. Probability of A given that the event B has already occurred. Note down this point. The event B has already occurred is called the conditional probability of A given B, denoted by the symbol. How we can read this symbol? Probability of any event A given that event B has already occurred. Briefly, we can read this one as conditional probability of A given B, and read as P of A given B. We can read this symbol as P of A by B, or P of A bar B, or conditional probability of A given B. Like this, we can read this symbol. Okay, and formula of this one is P of A bar B equal to P of A intersection B by P of B. P of B is not equal to 0. P of B is not equal to 0. Formula is conditional probability of an event A given that the event B, already given event. See, and also P of B bar A, conditional probability of an event B given that the event A is already given event. Then P of A bar B At P of A given P of B given A, nothing but P of B intersection A. You know the property of intersection. A intersection B same as B intersection A divided by P of A. P of A not equal to 0. Followed the formulas. P of A bar B formula. P of conditional probability rules you. A bar B or B bar A formula is like this. Don't forget these formulas. Okay. Next. Properties of conditional probability. Some properties of conditional probability. Some properties of conditional probability. Already know the properties. P of pi is 0, P of SC is 1, and 0 less than P of A less than 1. Another property, P of A union B plus P of A intersection B is equal to P of A plus P of B. And another property, P of A dash is equal to 1 minus P of A. Next, you know the conditional probability formula, P of A bar B. Okay, P of A bar B. P of probability of an event A given that event B has already occurred, or simply conditional probability of A given B. Okay. Now, properties of conditional probability. Let property 1. Let A be an event with sample space S. Let A be an event with sample space S. Then 1. P of A bar A is 1. Okay. Next, P of S bar A is also 1. P of A bar A is 1. P of S bar A is 1. 3. P of empty set bar A is 0. Okay. A be an event with sample spaces. P of A bar A is 1. P of S bar A is also 1. P of pi of A bar A is 0. Okay. How we can prove it? 1 by 1. Proof. First point. First problem. P of A bar A. Correct. You know, just now you know the meaning of A bar B. Conditional probability of an event A already given event B is nothing but P of A intersection B by P of B. Okay. P of B is not equal to 0. This is the formula. Observe here. A bar A. Here A bar B. Just now I given the meaning. What is that? P of A intersection B. Here P of A intersection A by P of A. Correct? Next, what is A intersection A? A. P of A by P of A. Correct? What is this? That is 1. Cancel it. So from this onwards, P of A bar A is 1. Next, Another definition, P of S bar A. Second one, P of S bar A is equal to, apply the same formula, P of S intersection A by S intersection A by P of A, correct? Next, what is S intersection A? S ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. S intersection A ಅಂದ್ರೆ P of A ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. S intersection A ಅಂದ್ರೆ A ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, S ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು. P of A, correct? P of A, cancel it, 1. So P of S bar A is 1. 3. Third one, P of pi bar A. Pi means empty set, bar A. How can write this one? Same conditional probability formula here. P of A bar B means P of A intersection B by P of B. Here, P of pi intersection A by P of A. Correct? Pi intersection A is P of. Pi of intersection A means probability of pi by P of A. Here, P of A not equal to 0. Correct? See the definition. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಸೆಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ. ಈಗ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ P of A? P of pi 0. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? P of pi ಅಂದರೆ 0 by P of A. P of A is not equal to 0. That's why 0 by not equal to 0 means 0. So probability of pi of A is equal to 0. Okay. Next, will be property number 2. Property 2. If A comma B, if A comma B and F are the events connected with, with the sample space, connected with the sample space, yes, A comma B and F are the events connected with the sample space, yes, and P of F not equal to 0. P of F is not equal to 0. Then P of A union B bar F. Then P of A union B bar F is equal to P of A bar F, P of A bar F plus P of B bar F minus P of A intersection B bar F. Followed the meaning of this? Okay.
Sir, ready.
Ah. Listen here. Property 2 is like this. If A and B and F are the events connected with the sample spaces and P of F not equal to 0, then P of A union B bar F equal to P of A bar F plus P of B bar F minus P of A intersection B bar F. You have to prove this property. How can prove this property? Okay, we have conditional probability ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. P of A union B bar F equal to, listen here, P of A bar B is equal to P of A intersection B by P of B. P of B is not equal to 0. Just now I have given the conditional probability definition. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ದಾಕಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. P of A intersection B bar P of A. Okay, here how can write? P of A union B intersection F divided by P of B. P of F ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದು. A bar B ಅಂದರೆ A intersection B by P of B using conditional probability. Conditional probability. Formula. Correct? ಆ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿರೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಲಾ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ರೇಲ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಲಾ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್, ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ B intersection F, B intersection F by P of F. Correct? P of A intersection F union P of A intersection F union B intersection F, P of F. ಯಾವುದು ಲಾ ಯಾವುದು ಹೇಳಿ? ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ distributive law. Using distributive law. Correct? Using distributive law. Next will be next, the result is like this. What is P of A union B? ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನು. P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B ಅಂತ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನು A ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು B ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A union B. P of A union B is nothing but P of A intersection F, okay, plus P of B intersection F, okay, minus P of A intersection B. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿ? P of A intersection F intersection B intersection F, okay, by P of F. Follow this. Which result you are using? Because ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿಗೆ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. ಇದು ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ, ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ ಎಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದು ಹೇಳಿರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಎ ಬಾರ್ ಬಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಬೈ ಬಿ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ. ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇವೆರಡು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಯಿತು ಬೈ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ? ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಬೈ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಲಾ. ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ? ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ, ಇದು ಎ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು ಬಿ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಬಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. ಇದು ಎ, ಇದು ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೂ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆದಿರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಸನ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್? ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ನೋಡಿ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬರೆದಾಕಿ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಬೈ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟನ್ನು ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಹೇಳಿ? ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್. ಈಗ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, ಓದ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್. ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್? ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ರೂಲ್ a plus b minus c by d, a by d, b by d minus c by d. Using that you have to write p of a intersection b f bar f p of f plus p of b intersection f by p of f minus p of a intersection b intersection f by p of f. Correct? Division rule in the ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾಯ್ತು. Followed everyone up to this? Next, how to write this result? ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. What is P of A intersection B by P of B? Now write P of A bar B, P of A intersection B by P of B is equal to P of A bar B ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, P of A intersection F by P of F, where P of S is not equal to 0. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, P of B ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಇರೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಹೀಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಹೀಗಿದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಇದು. ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ದಿಸ್, ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಾರ್ ಎಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಹೇಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಬೈ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್, ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ ಎಫ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ, ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಬೈ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್. A intersection B by P of F. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, P of A union B bar F. A P of A union B bar F equal to P of A bar F plus P of B bar F minus P of A intersection B by P of F. ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ 2. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ 3. ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಾಡಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ 3? ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ P of A bar F P of A bar F equal to 1 minus P of A bar F. P of probability of A dash bar F is equal to 1 minus P of A bar F ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಿಸ್? Tell me the meaning of, we have A union A dash. A union A dash is sample space. Next, what is A intersection A dash? Null set. Call this result number 2. From ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ 2. ಇದೇ ತಾನೇ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ 2ನ ಮೇಲೇನೇ ಇದೆ. ಹೇಗಿದು? P of A union A dash bar F. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ A union B ಅಂತಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ A union A dash ಅಂದರೆ B ಪರವಾಗಿ A dash ಬರೀತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಹೇಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? P of A bar F P of A bar F plus P of B ಅಂದರೆ A dash bar F, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಮೈನಸ್ P of A intersection B, ಇಲ್ಲಿ A intersection A dash bar F. Followed the meaning of this? ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಾಡಲ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅದು. P of A dash bar F equal to 1 minus P of A bar F ಅಂತ. ಯು ನೋ ದಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್, A union A dash ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸು. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ ದಿ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಗಳು. A intersection A dash ಅಂದರೆ ಎಂಟಿ ಸೆಟ್. ಎಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಟಿ. ಎ ಸೆಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅವೆರಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ 2 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಸೆಟ್ಟು ಬಿ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದೆ. P of A union A dash by bar F ಅಂದರೆ P of A bar F. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬರೀರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆದಾಕಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಇಂದ ಎ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಏನು ಬರೆಯೋಣ? ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ P of sample space bar A equal to P of A bar F plus P of A dash bar F minus P of A intersection B A dash is pi bar F using 1. Correct? Tell me what is P of S bar A? 1 ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, 1ರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು P of A bar F plus P of A dash F minus P of pi bar F 0 because ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ 1 ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಎ ಅಂದರೆ 1, ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಪೈ ಬಾರ್ ಎಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ 0. ಹೀಗೆ ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ದಿಸ್. Next will be simplification. 1 equal to P of A bar F plus P of A dash bar F. Okay. Rearrange this. Therefore, transfer this result to left hand side. P of A dash bar F equal to 1 minus P of A bar F. P of A dash bar F equal to 1 minus P of A bar F. Like this, you have to prove this result. Okay. Now you take examples. Examples. 1. 2014 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ given that E and F are two events such that P of E equal to are two events such that P of E is 0.6, P of F equal to 0.3 and P of E intersection F 0.2. Okay, find probability of E bar F and probability of F bar E. Okay. Listen here, how we can solve this problem. E and F are two events. Okay, E and F are two events such that P of E is 0.6, P of F is 0.3. Okay, and P of E intersection F is 0.2. Find E bar intersection F. Andre conditional probability of an event E already given that event F ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. ಹೇಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕೇಳಿ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎ ಬಾರ್ ಬಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ, ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಬೈ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ ಎ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ, ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬೈ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗಳು. ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ದಿಸ್. ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಇ ಬಾರ್ ಎಫ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಫಾಲೋ ದಿಸ್ ರೂಲ್. ಎ ಬಾರ್ ಬಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ, ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಬೈ ಇ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ 1. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್? 0.2 ಬೈ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ 0.3. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. 0.2 by 0.3 nothing but 2/3. ಈ ರೀತಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇಫ್ ಎರಡನೇದು ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಬಾರ್ ಇ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಗೆ, ಎಫ್ ಬಾರ್ ಇಗೆ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ F intersection E or E intersection F. One and the same. P of E. Correct. Formula ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. A bar B ನೋ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, B bar A ನೋ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ, what is E intersection F? Value 0.2 by ಇದು 0.6. That is nothing but 2 by 6. 1 by 3 is the answer. Okay. Next example. Second example. 2014 March. Example ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. If P of A equal to 4 by 5. P of A is 4 by 5 and P of B bar A is equal to 2 by 5. Find P of A intersection B. Find P of A intersection B. Okay. P of A is 4 by 5. P of B bar A is 2 by 5. P of A intersection B calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Correct. P of B bar A. Correct. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ ಎ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎ ಬಾರ್ ಬಿ ಇದ್ರು ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ ಎ ಇದ್ರು ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿರೋದನ್ನ. ಹಾಂ, ಈಗ ಈ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಯೂಸ್, ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡೀಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಿ ಬಾರ್ ಎ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವೇಂದ್ರೆ, ಟು ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆದಾಕಿ. P of B bar A is P of A intersection B by P of B. Correct. Therefore, P of A intersection B is equal to P of B bar A cross multiply into P of B. P of A intersection B equal to P of B bar A into P of A. Follow this. So the formula ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತು. P of B bar A. Okay. What is P of B bar A? 2 by 5. What is P of B? Sorry, what is P of B bar A? You write here P of A. See the condition. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. P of B bar A equal to P of A intersection B by P of A. Correct ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ. P of B bar A is equal to P of A intersection B by P of A. Cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ, P of A intersection B equal to P of B bar A into P of A. Correct? Correction ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ. P of B bar A ಅಂದರೆ 2 by 5. P of A ಅಂದರೆ 4 by 5. What is the final answer? 8 by 25. That is the final answer. Okay. Followed everyone? Take another example. Third example. Compute P of A bar B if P of B is equal to 0.5 and P of A intersection B equal to 0.32. Okay. How we can solve this problem? Take the solution for this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಾರ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಕಂಡೀಷನಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ P of A bar B is equal to P of A intersection B by P of B. Correct? What is A intersection B? Value 0.32 by P of B value 0.5, or we can write 32 by 50. Okay, this is 16, okay, divided by 25. That is the answer. Take next example. If P of A is, fourth example, model question paper. A fair die is rolled consider the events E equal to 2, 4, 6 and F equal to 1, 2. Find P of E bar F. Okay. Solution for this. A fair die is rolled. Consider the event E2, 4, 6. Another event 1, 2. Find P of E bar F. Okay. How can solve this? Illide ನೋಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ A bar B is equal to P of A intersection B by P of B ಅಂತ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಏನು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿ.ಯು.ಸಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಫೇರ್ ಡೈ ಅಂದಾಗ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ಇದು ಫೇರ್ ಡೈನ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ 6. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇ ಸೆಟ್? ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 2, 4, 6. What is F? 1, 2. Correct. What is E intersection F? 2 common elements. Okay. Tell me the meaning of this. Probability of E bar F. We want probability of E bar F. What is the formula for probability of E bar F? Probability of, therefore probability of E bar F equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ P of E intersection F by P of F. Correct. Tell me the probability of E intersection F. How to write probability of any event? P of A equal to probability of any event is equal to N of A by N of S. Follow this. Probability of any event definition is N of A by N of S. Possible outcome divided by favorable event number. This possible outcome, yes. ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಇ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಬೈ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್ ಬೈ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಬೈ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್. ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ದಿಸ್ probability of any event ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬೈ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೈ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಬೈ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಇ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಬೈ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ E intersection F by N of F. What is E intersection F? How many possible outcomes are there? Only one by N of F. How many outcomes are there in F? Event? Only two. 1 by 2 is the answer. Followed this. Followed all of you? Any doubt? Any doubt? You take one more example. Okay, given that, take an example. Model paper. Consider the experiment of tossing two fair coins Consider the experiment of tossing two fair coins simultaneously. Find the probability that both are heads. Given that at least one of them is head. This is given in model paper. Consider the experiment of tossing two fair coins simultaneously. Find the probability that both are heads. Okay, given that at least one of them is head. Okay, solution for this. Okay, what is the sample space of this experiment? Sample space of this experiment is tossing two fair coins simultaneously. Tell me the sample space. S equal to HH, HP, TH, TT. Correct? What is N of S? How many possible outcomes? N of S is 4. Tell me the A event. You write two events. What is an A event? Both are heads. Let A be the event. Both are heads. Means A equal to H. Tell me the B event. Another event is at least one of them is head. Let B be the event. Okay, at least one of them at least one of them is head. Okay, now what are the outcomes of this condition? That is B is equal to at least one head is HH, HT, TH. Followed this? ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? To find probability of an event A given that at least one of them is head. At least one of them is head is B. P of A bar B. Calculate now. Okay? To find A bar B. Followed this? ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ.